how are you today? I hope you guys are doing well. It's your girl Nikisha, and this is Nikisha's Life. I'm going to be doing a quick video today. I have put conditioner in my hair for a pre-poo. So I had it in all day, so this is what it's looking like. I'm about to rinse the conditioner out, and then I'm going to do a hot oil treatment, and then I'm going to wash my hair. And yeah, I wanted to show you how I do this. This is what my hair looks like. It's in an old finger coil. I tried finger coiling, if I can talk, for the first time, and it came out pretty cute. But this is just old now, and it has conditioner in it because I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out, and I'll be back to show you how I make my hot oil treatment. So I'm back. I just rinsed my hair out from the conditioner, and I'm waiting for my water to get hot to start my oils, warm them up. But I'm going to show you what I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be using grapeseed oil. I'm going to eyeball it.
So the part that showed the oils got deleted. I'm using extra virgin olive oil, grapeseed oil, avocado, coconut, and peppermint. So here I am showing you my hair freshly rinsed. I'm going to section it into 4 sections just to make it easier for me to apply the oil and make sure every part of my hair is getting the oil on it. So here I'm showing you the oil and the little dispenser. I have extra in the bowl that I'm going to be using as well because I couldn't put everything in a little small dispenser, so I put the rest of it in the bowl. So I'm just taking a little bit on my hands at first just to try and get it all, and then I'm going to shake it up to make sure everything is combined and proceed to put it into my hair. I start at the scalp and work my way down, making sure every strand is evenly coated with the hot oil treatment. And then I'm going to give myself a little massage at the end as well to make sure my scalp is moisturized and my hair is coated. I do make sure I get my ends really well because those are the driest and oldest part of your hair, so I make sure I get them really well. I do a little finger detangling, and I do detangle my hair before I twist it up. The little small thing was too slippery, so I had to get the long one with the handle, and I detangle my hair very well and then twist it up. Look at them curls, they popping or whatever. FYI, this oil is messy, so I hope you have something on that you don't mind getting messy, and a towel on your ground if you're on the floor like I am. And see how my hair gets knotted, so this is why I'm finger detangling as well as combing it out, because my hair is prone to knots. I do have low porosity hair and it gets knotted really easily. If anybody has suggestions of what I can do to minimize that, let your girl know. I would appreciate it. Putting the hot oil on my edges and making sure that's rubbed in thoroughly as well. And then I split this section, because it's a big section, into multiple sections just to make sure everything is getting oil on it. So I do separate these into multiple sections and try to detangle it before I do. And then I section them into smaller sections to make sure the oil gets on every single part of my hair. After I'm done putting the hot oil in, this is how much hair I've lost doing the process. I'm going to put 2 shower caps on my head, and then I'm going to sit under the little dryer that you hook up to your blow dryer. Your girl was having trouble with that because it did not want to stay on my head. So yeah, I sat underneath that for like 30 minutes, and then I rinsed it out. Let's just say this was really hot, and I had to turn it down a little bit and make sure my face didn't burn off, because it was really, really, really hot. And I didn't realize, I haven't used this in so long that I forgot it went over your whole face. And yeah, so I had to adjust it to make sure it stayed on my head, one, and then the heat wasn't burning my face off, because it was, you see I'm struggling right there. It wasn't trying to stay on my head, it just wasn't, and it was burning my face. You see my faces I'm making, it's really hot. So I had to lower it down a little bit and make sure my face didn't get burned off. So that's with all the faces I'm making. So after 30 minutes, I am going to shampoo my hair, and I'm using the keratin oil shampoo and conditioner, anti-breakage. I take my hair out of the shower caps and I rinse it out first, and then I wash my hair, I think 3 times or 2 times, and then I condition it and rinse my hair out. And yeah, this is me taking sure the water is not too hot. I did rinse it on warm water because, like I said, I have low porosity hair and I want my cuticles and my strands to be opened, so I did rinse it on warm water versus cold water, but you can rinse it however you like, but warm water and warm and hot usually works best for my hair to keep it extra moisturized. Make sure you do rinse out all the oils really good before you wash your hair, and then shampoo after you rinse it really well. So I made sure I rinsed my hair really thoroughly to make sure all the oil was out, and I was able to wash my hair after I did that. So this is what my hair is looking like after I washed and conditioned it. Now I'm going to take my hair into sections and detangling it and putting it into twists to prepare for my style that I'm going to be doing. So I am loving the way my hair is feeling and looking after I did my hot oil treatment and conditioning. It is so juicy, and my curls are popping. Yeah, so this is the end of the video. I did section my hair into 4 sections. I think I got some soap still in my eyes while I'm making the faces, but this is what my hair is looking like after. And now I'm going to do my style, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys!